Hello guys, this is Marcus Lando TV. We're gonna show you my dinosaur zoo. If you like my video, then like and subscribe. Here are the baby dinosaurs. One fell. Now next we have the kids. Here are the teenager dinosaurs. You can already see the adults. Now here are the adults, the final category. And after this is the final category. Goodbye, boy. The sounds. Okay, next is the final category. All this one. Mine. The final one is him. My nanay called him Booger. Mine. Goodbye. Make sure to like and subscribe. My video if you like it.